Hey people, and for this video, we're gonna teach you how to fix the Roblox issue if you cannot see your mic on the top right. Now, normally, to know that your mic is working, it would look like this. So first we have to leave an experience, and if you're on your phone, the more options should be on the bottom right. I am on the PC using the app, so my options for more is on the left. Now once here, go to settings, go to privacy and content maturity, and first off, let's check on communication. You would see that the microphone would be enabled. We'll have to refresh that by switching it off and then back on. And once that's done, let's go over to account info. And you can see that I don't have a phone number verified because I am not from one of the voice chat supported countries. However, I did verify with an ID, and so that is what I needed to get voice chat. Now just make sure that your number isn't changed if you were verified with the number, and on the birthday make sure that the dates haven't been changed either. And if none of those were changed, let's go back to privacy and content maturity. Go to content maturity and then make sure that your content maturity is set to moderate. Once that's done, we can also check experience chat, still here in communication. By default, it would be set to everyone. So make sure that both experience chat and direct chat are set to everyone. Now you can go back and see if that works. If it hasn't worked, you may have to close and reopen your Roblox app. However, if you've closed and reopened Roblox and it's still not working, what you have to do is go into the search bar, Roblox player, and then right click and then click on uninstall. And then, just to be sure, type in add or remove programs, and then once here, let's search for Roblox, click on the three dots icon, and then click uninstall. Now we'll have to reinstall Roblox, so what we have to do is go to a browser and choose any experience, and then click the play button, and once you click this, you should be able to download the Roblox installer. Once it's downloaded, it will be on your downloads folder, and once here, you simply run the installer, and then allow the program to make changes. And once you reopen Roblox, you should be able to use voice chat. Now I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new tips. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.